Hey, it's Paul from Carver Kings. Just doing a little bit of carving here down at the shop. Getting a few things done, and so I had a nice piece of cedar. I figured I'd just mess around with it a little bit and try a new layout for a dragon, see how it worked. This is what I come up with so far. I'll just turn it around here rather than moving the camera, but that's what he looks like. I haven't done this style. I don't know how do you pronounce it? The Revan? What's the dragon that starts with W?
Wyvern.
Wyvern. Wyvern?
Y-W-V-R-E.
Yeah, wyvern. Yeah, it's a wyvern. I don't know. Doesn't make sense to me, but anyway, this is what I come up with. Hopefully you like it. Check out the video. I'll show you how I didn't really have a design. I just kind of messed around with it, started cutting, and see what happened. And this is what I got so far. The next video I'll show you the detailing of it, but figure to give you something to do while you're sitting at home in your quarantine. Anyway, hope everyone's staying safe. Take it easy. Hey, well, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. I had a lot of fun just tickling the wood and playing around with it and coming up with the design idea. It's great when you don't know what you're doing. You're just kind of going with the saw and going with the flow and see what happens. So hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the share button or hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to get the future updates, see the part 2 of this. If you're on Facebook, like and share and all that stuff. We appreciate you supporting us and by viewing and sharing and liking and commenting, and hopefully everyone's staying safe and we get through this quick. Anyway, have a good one.